In this video, you'll watch a chemical reaction between an acid and a base. To do this at home, you will need a water bottle with its cap, a straw, a pair of scissors, glue, or tape. You're going to cut a small hole near the bottom of the bottle and then place the straw through the hole. Finally, you'll need to seal the hole either with the glue or the tape. When your boat is finished, you'll need some baking soda, which acts as your base, and vinegar, which acts as your acid. Pour a bit of vinegar into the bottom of the bottle, then add baking soda so that it doesn't mix with the vinegar. Take your boat to your tub or your lake and mix the vinegar and baking soda and let the boat go. The vinegar and baking soda react to make carbon dioxide, an actual gas that propels the boat forward.